YouTube. Welcome back. Today we continue our series in JavaScript, JavaScript fundamentals. In this series, we'll try to answer the questions that you may face in your JavaScript interview. So today we'll answer the question: what is a service worker? And a service worker is basically a script, JavaScript file that runs in the background, separated from a web page, and provides features that do not need a web page or user interaction. Like some of the major features of service worker are rich offline experience, maybe the pre-download stuff. So in conclusion, the service worker is a type of worker, is like a script that runs in the background, separated from the main JavaScript thread, as we said. In the browser, it acts as a proxy between a web application and the network, allowing you to intercept and control network requests, cache resources, and provide offline capabilities. Service workers are key technology for building progressive web applications and improving the web performance. And so let's just take an example for it. So I'll create a file and I'll call it a service worker, new file. And inside this service worker, I will add this one. I will add some event listening. Like I'll add this because the code will be a lot here. So let's just copy all of that. So here we install event, like fired. We have the install event with this fired when the service worker is first registered or updated. And let's see that we have these three files. Let's just try to create them. And we have style.css, and we have let's go back here, and we have script.js. So, and also we have the other one here. Let's just have this one. And we have this one here. We fetch event like this intercept network request, and we serve the cache response if available. So basically we cache the responses. So in this example, as you can see, first, number one here, we install event, the install event, this we call install. Install event is used to cache static assets like HTML, CSS, JavaScript files when the service worker is first registered or updated. The caches API is used to create a cache named, we called my cache, and resources to it. The fetch event is used to intercept network request made by web application. It checks if cached is response for the request resources using the cache.match. Like if they match with each other, we cache. If cached response is found, it's served. Otherwise, network request is made. And to register this one, like just have like let's go to the HTML and just to register this one, you will add the script to it. So basically, this code checks if for example, this code checks if the browser supports service workers, and then register the service worker script. Once registered, the service worker can control network request and caching for a specific scope. In this case, the root directly. We work from the service worker. Basically, we try to register it, and we just see if it's available or not. Service workers, as you can see, are a powerful tool for building web applications that work reliable offline, load quickly, and provide smoother user experience. They can be used to implement features like offline caching, background sync, and push notifications in modern web application. So yeah, that's it for service worker. And I guess we maybe have 2 or 3 more videos about service worker, talks about like maybe some inner functions and how some use cases to them. So that's it for this video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video, and see you in future problem.